Hi Lynn, this is Brittany. It's so nice to be able to provide you guys with a quick video with some tips and tricks. And I also want to greet everyone at Select Floors. There's a couple of things that I wanted to go over in this video. So the three things I want to go over are content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'll show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So first thing I want to go over is the content on the Select Floors homepage. So right now I'm looking at the number of words that are currently on this page. You guys have some great pictures, good visuals. However, there's not a whole lot of content. So estimating around 100 words that you guys probably have on your homepage. That's not a whole lot. We do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. But that definitely does help with the rankings. And I also wanted to mention as well that you guys have a call to action on the bottom, which is super great. I'm glad you guys have that. That's really important for customers looking for you and your services. So let's go back to the content. So keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. So for example, flooring store, Marietta, Georgia, or floor installation, Marietta, Georgia, just to name a few. So I went ahead and I looked on Google the following keyword, flooring store, Marietta, Georgia, at the top. And I noticed that you guys came number 2 on the Google Map Pack, which is super great. So you guys are definitely doing some good things with your citations to get ranked on the Google Map Pack here. So looking down at the organic search results here, number 1 on the position is Dalton Flooring Gallery, and I brought up their website here, and this company is your competition. So with their website, they also don't have a whole lot of content, maybe 100 words or so roughly as well. They have a couple of keywords on their homepage, not a whole lot. Floors in Marietta, Georgia. Also wanted to quickly go over subpages. They have a lot of subpages, and I noticed you guys do as well, which is super great. And I also noticed the amount of content you guys have on your subpages, and it's really good. You guys have some pretty good content here, and pretty good amount of words. And we just recommend around 300 to 500 words on each subpage, which helps you rank, especially with some specific keywords related to your area and your service. So let's go back to your home page here. Moving on, I would like to talk about backlinks. So here I have a tool that I like to use to research websites. I put your website in here, Select Floors, and I also put in your competitions on another tab. But first I'd like to go over these 2 ratings here. So we have a UR rating and a DR rating. Your DR rating is the overall power rating that Google provides to you, and UR rating is the trust rating by Google. So these 2 ratings are raised by backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry and local websites will work the best. So initially, looking at your backlink number, you guys have an incredible amount of backlinks. You have 14,700 backlinks. Look at your competition, they only have 22 backlinks. But I'd like to notate something why, even though you guys have a huge number of backlinks here, why you're not showing up on the first page of Google, and they are. So looking at your backlinks, I noticed that there are some toxic backlinks here, unfortunately, that actually violate Google's webmaster guidelines. And these links behavior is to manipulate links to your site or outgoing links from your site. So some examples that I notice here, we've got some links existing on every page of a website such as yours. I see that everywhere on this first page here. Selectflores.info, all coming back to yours. Also notice some coming from sites and content that are not topically relevant. So for example, I noticed sponsors Pope Baseball. That doesn't have anything to do with your service niche or your area. Another one that I noticed, there's quite a few random ones here actually. Website list 2273, that one's pretty spammy. There's quite a few here that just are not good ones to have. So with this link building, with these backlinks especially, you definitely want to focus more on quality over quantity. And because there's quite a few low quality backlinks that you guys have, it has been hurting your rankings on Google. So I'm going to go back for just a second, and I want to move on further. So even though you guys have a pretty good UR rating, which is a trust rating by Google, but with this many backlinks that you have, it's just not correlating, and that is why. It's because the quality of the backlinks is not as good as it should be. So definitely want to focus more on quality over quantity. So the third thing I want to talk about with you guys is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile, as you know, since you guys are number 2 on the Google Map Pack. Now citations help you guys rank in the Map Pack, which is extremely important for local businesses, as these can generate huge amounts of revenue, so good job on that. And as you probably are aware, citations include directories like Yelp, A&G Expertise, Better Business Bureau, hundreds of others. And you guys have a good amount here. You guys have, let's get that number up again, 152 citations. Your competition only has 10 citations, but that is why you're also showing up on Google Map Pack, so that's great on that one. So good job on that one, guys. So we definitely so far want to up your content on your homepage, in your subpages. We want to reevaluate those backlinks. That's why you're not quite ranking where you should be on Google, especially with your competitor who definitely doesn't have as many. So definitely want to get that improved there. So you guys are also getting a good amount of traffic. You guys have 230 organic traffic. Your competition has 115, but they're still ranking at the top due to the quality of backlinks that they have, even though their ratings are lower than yours, essentially. The quality of what they have is better. So I just wanted to quickly go over this with you guys. I just wanted to show you this provides some valuable educational content real quick on how you guys can strengthen your online presence. So thank you guys for allowing me to serve you, and I hope this was helpful, and I'd appreciate some feedback. So my contact information is below on my signature, and I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you have a great day.